Emax TinyHawk 2. Probably seen all the reviews, so I'm just going to do a bit of flying and say if you want to buy a quad for flying indoors and you're considering this one, it's a no-brainer. I've got TinyHawk 1, put all Project Mockingbird and all that on it and flew okay. This is out of the box, but I haven't flown it on 2S, I can't see the point. It's not what I want it for. So I'll just have a bit of a fly around, you can have a look.
As we dance, as we dance, as we dance, as we dance, as we dance. As we dance.
TinyHawk 2, highly recommend this quad if you want to fly indoors. I've tested it out, crashed it, flipped it, showed you some footage, a little bit of acro, not really that much fun in acro, but anyway. You've been using these UAV 550s, pretty cheap. I'll put a link in the description. I'll put a link in the description for the TinyHawk and the ready to fly version. If you want to learn to fly something, it's probably a really good way to start. So yeah, if you want to have this for flying around inside, you can't go wrong. Cheers.